I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. I told you guys we were going to do it. If you watched one of our last videos, you knew that we needed a new Keurig, and it finally has arrived. We got the good one. Check it out. Yay! Alright, you guys, y'all know what time it is. It's time for another unboxing. And every time I do an unboxing, you know I use the best grandpa ever official unboxing knife. Shouts out to Corey and Chloe for the best grandpa ever knife. So let's unbox it today. We're unboxing the Keurig. I told you guys we were getting a new Keurig, and here it is. We got the Keurig K Classic single serve coffee maker. For everyday essential, 3-cup sizes, 48 ounce. We got the brewing cups. I think it comes with 48 ounce. I'm gonna see does this come with any free cups in it. I'm not too sure. But we got it because you know our other one was acting up. Coffee house taste in your own home, the perfect cup every time. So let's crack this baby open. Bam, the official knife. All I gotta do is hit that right there. I think that's all we need. Everything else is pretty good on this. So let's see what we have in the container. Open this baby up. Ah, there we go. We got the top half here. That's how the top looks. This is a big box, you guys. And of course, you know, right at the gate, we got the little instruction guide. Throw that on the side. Nice thick foam right here. Put that on the side also. And here's the actual Keurig. Looks like they got it this way. That's the top. So we're gonna open it like this. We're gonna slide this baby out. Here's the box. We throw that to the side. We don't need that. We don't need this. Throw that to the side too. And here we go. Ready? Make sure there's no tape. Let me see how we got it. Oh, you know what? I got it. This is why I got the grandpa knife. Yes, sir. Woo! Here we go. You ready? Cue the music. Woo! Look at this baby. Look at this baby. This thing is looking like a lean, clean, blue monster machine. Woo! Let's get a closer look at this thing. Let's get a closer look at this bad boy here. Woo! Brand spanking new. Brand new Keurig. Right out the box. Look at this thing, boy. Look like a sleek car that just got the new paint job on it. Yes, sir. This is what I'm talking about. We're going to get our grind on. Now, let's see what we got here. So, this pretty much a Keurig. Ain't too much to it if you know about Keurig. Let's get the initial tape off this thing. Open up all of this up. And, of course, oh, yeah, we got another piece of tape right here. Open that up. And then, of course, if it's like our other Keurig, yeah, it should have a little side. That's the side panel. Oh yeah, it's pretty much similar to the other one. Take all the paper off of here. You got paper everywhere on this thing. Paper right there. Oh yeah, this is the little tray. As you can know with all Keurigs, this comes off. This catches the water. So we're going to take that down there. We're going to take that down. Next thing here. We got some tape back here. We're going to pop that out. We're going to pop that out. This is the water container right here. That pops up like so. a lot of tape. They pack this thing really well, you guys. Tape everywhere. And that's it. That's the Keurig. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this thing together. Then I'll let you guys know how this thing working. We'll get back to you in a minute.
Press the small cup that you start into. Pour hot water into the sink. One time setup process.
Thank all you guys that made suggestions on different Keurigs to get. This is just a little bit smaller than the one we had before. As you can see, this is the one we had before, 2.0, and now we got the Keurig Classic. But this is all we need. This is just a slight bit smaller, but it's basically the same setup, same functionality. So thank you guys for all your suggestions on the different Keurigs we got. We finally got it, and we'll see you guys on the next video.